In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to Google Business Profile. This is an essential step for enhancing your online presence and making sure that your business is as visible as possible on Google services. Let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward and should take us about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to go to Google Business Profile. It's important to start here because Google Business Profile is the hub for managing how your business information appears across Google, including maps and search. Here's how you'll do it. Sign in using your Google account. This should be the account that you use for your business. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signing into the correct one linked to your business. Once you're signed in, navigate to your business profile. This is where all the magic happens. Your business profile is where you can manage the information that potential customers see when they search for your business on Google. If you have more than one business listed, make sure to select the one you're working on linking. Next up, click on Social Profiles. This step is where you'll be directly linking your various social profiles to your Google Business Profile. By doing this, you're creating a more interconnected online presence, which can be incredibly beneficial for your business's online discoverability. Now you're going to choose from the drop down and paste in the web address of your profile. This could be your business's Facebook page, Instagram handle, LinkedIn page, or any other relevant social media profiles you have. Make sure you copy and paste the correct URL to avoid any errors, as this is how customers will find and interact with your business on those platforms. Last but not least, don't forget to click Save. This might seem like the simplest step, but it's also the most crucial. Without saving, none of the changes you made will be applied. So, take a moment to double check everything you've entered and then hit that Save button. Congratulations! You've just successfully linked your social profiles to your Google Business Profile. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date Google Business Profile can significantly improve your business's visibility and accessibility online. By taking the time to link your social profiles, you're enhancing your profile and providing potential customers with more avenues to connect with your business. It's a small effort that can lead to big rewards. And there you have it. You now know how to link your social profiles to your Google Business Profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your online presence. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to go through these steps again at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing your business's online potential.